SVR IAS Online Academy welcomes you to the Environment and Ecology online video lectures. In this video lecture, you will learn an important topic for the prelims examination, that is snow leopard. In this snow leopard topic, which is very important for the prelims examination because Government of India launched Project Snow Leopard to protect the snow leopard from the extinction. In this background, we should know about structure of the snow leopard. Because snow leopard lives in the high mountains range in the icy region, how its body structure helps it to survive in the icy region. And the other important point, it is indicator of mountain health. Why snow leopard is considered as a indicator of mountain health? Because as already you know about some basic points about food chain. If you consider as a food chain or pyramid, you can say it is the producer or base level, it is the tertiary consumer or highest level, you can say. Snow leopard is located in the highest level of food chain or highest tropic level. As you know, this is the tropic level 1, tropic level 2, 3, 4, etc. And if the number of snow leopard is more, means in the below tropic level, number of the consumers also will be more. Here also will be more. And number of producers also will be high. Because when you go from below bottom to the top, number of the species coming down. So if more number of snow leopards at the top means definitely more number of producers at the bottom. So preserving the snow leopard is vital for ensuring the health of the mountain ecosystem. And also we will teach you why snow leopards are called as umbrella species. Then what do you mean by umbrella species? And what about International Snow Leopard Day, when it is observed? And what is Bishkek Declaration? Bishkek Declaration, which is related to what? And some important points about Project Snow Leopard, which is launched by Government of India. So the topic is very important for the prelims examination. So let's start the video lecture. In the distribution, the important prelims points is that it is found in the Central Asia and South Asia and nowhere else. In North America, whether South America or Europe, it is not found. So it is found only in Asia, and within Asia it is found in the Central Asia and South Asia. In this image you can see the snow leopard. See the bottom of the abdomen, lot of furs, and also the bottom of tail. So it helps the snow leopard to avoid the impact of snow or impact of cold. And also its toe has more widespread. The size is like a shoe, so that its leg will not go into the ice or will not bury into the ice. These are important physical features which are important for the prelims examination. The another very important prelims point is that if you call big cat means it includes 3: lion, tigers and leopards. Lion, tiger and leopards. The issue is that snow leopards cannot roar like tiger or lions. The important prelims point, don't forget, snow leopards cannot roar. Snow leopard lives between 3000 km to 4500 meters, not kilometers, meters height. So it lives in the high altitudes. Look at the structure of the snow leopard. It has white, or you can say soft grey color. Within soft grey color, many spots are there. Whether it's a black spot, sometimes called as brown spot, spots in the black or brown color. What is the benefit of this body color? Camouflage. Camouflage. It means its body's color almost looks similar to the environment, so that it cannot be detected by the prey. So it can easily capture the prey. It's a benefit of different colors, which is similar to the environmental color. China contains around 60% of the snow leopard's habitat. So China is the main country which has to protect the snow leopard. It contains 60% of the snow leopard habitat. And also, snow leopard lives single or solitary. The character is similar to this rhinoceros. Rhinoceros also lives in a single manner, and it mainly hunts at the dawn and dusk, morning and evening time. Then what is the need to conserve the snow leopard, and why snow leopard is considered as an indicator of the mountain health ecosystem or health of the ecosystem is an important prelims point. In the high altitude habitat, snow leopard acts as a top predator, or you can say in the top of the food chain, and also acts as an indicator of the health of the high altitude habitat. It is an indicator of mountain ecosystem. As you know the importance of the mountain system, for example, Central Asia and Tibetan Plateau, where world's 60% of the population live. If you consider this as a Tibetan Plateau, many important rivers originate like Brahmaputra and Yellow River and etc. So China's almost all the vital rivers, and India's important rivers like Ganges, here this Brahmaputra, Indus River, all starts from the Tibet. Tibet means also includes Himalayas. So world's 60% of the population lives here. So we have to check whether the mountain ecosystem is healthy or not. How to check it? So by using the snow leopard. So by counting the number of snow leopards and their status, we can assess the health of the mountain ecosystem. In this image, you can understand the importance of Tibetan Plateau. Almost most of the rivers of China, India and Pakistan originate from the Tibetan Plateau. For example, Indus River, Sutlej River, Ganga River, Yerlang Sangpo, or in India is called as Brahmaputra. Yangtze River is a very important river of China, and also Yellow River, all originates from the Tibetan Plateau, and also Megang River, Salween River, Irrawaddy River, which are the vital rivers of the Southeast Asia, which also originate from Tibetan Plateau. We'll cover in detail about Tibetan Plateau in our another video lecture. Now you understood the importance of conserving the snow leopard. The important steps taken to protect the snow leopard are: snow leopard is placed under the endangered category in the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. Second, apart from IUCN, snow leopard is placed under CITES convention. Within the CITES is placed in Appendix 1. As you know already, Appendix 1 provides highest level of legal protection. Snow leopard is the national heritage animal of two countries. One is Pakistan and second is Afghanistan. Is an important prelims point. Snow leopard is the national heritage animal of Afghanistan and Pakistan. What about India? It is elephant, which is declared as India's national heritage animal. Snow leopard is present in India in various states, or you can say the Himalayan states: Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. These are the 5 states bordering the Himalayas. Remember the 5 states? These are called as Himalayan states. Now let's discuss about the Bishkek Declaration. Bishkek Declaration. Bishkek Declaration talks about conservation of the snow leopard. Conservation of snow leopard is an important point. And Bishkek Declaration is signed by how many countries? 12 countries, including India, China, Afghan, Pakistan and other Central Asian countries. Now let's discuss about International Snow Leopard Day. Every year, October 23rd is declared as an International Snow Leopards Day when international community, civil society, private sector also informed about the importance of conserving the snow leopard. Government of India launched Project Snow Leopard to conserve the snow leopard and their habitats. As already you know, there are 5 states. There are 5 Himalayan states that already we discussed. They are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. Remember the 5 names well. Snow leopard is also known as umbrella species. Is also called as umbrella species. What is the meaning of umbrella species? If you conserve this snow leopard, it not only ensures the survival of snow leopard but also other species or animals. The species in the lower tropic level will also get benefited. So we can assess the number of snow leopards and we can make many conservative efforts. So it will not only save the snow leopard but also other species living in the snow leopard region. That's all about snow leopard and important prelims point that we discussed. Make a note of these points and download a PDF for revision purpose, and all the very best for your IAS 2016 exam preparation.